Hello. My name is Annie, and I am here to tell you about houseboat hotels, unique and blissful experience. The last 4 decades have seen the world go around in so many ways. When we compare the scene today, we have hotels in varying types and sizes. The brands are baffling as there are so many. What amazed me recently in Kerala, a state in southern India, was the sight in the backwaters, the floating hotels. The houseboats are very tastefully furnished with the use of local materials, and equipped to take care of the guest as if one is in a 5-star luxury hotel. Houseboats are manufactured locally in Kerala with fiberglass, an eco-friendly material. The staff on board is trained in many skills. The capital cost of a good boat with 3 bedrooms would range is under $175,000. What one is left wondering with is the fact that there is no end to creating products and packages to meet the ever-changing demands of the guests. The best way to enjoy and experience nature is to live in it, and becoming a part of it.